And here's the continuance of going to be a goat barn slash well, I haven't really decided, just mainly the goat barn. But we'll have the stall here for the goats, where the floors slope to the back side there. This just got a lot of leaves in it, that's why it looks high. But anyway, it's sloped to that side there. And then here's going to be the chicken shed. And the roof's going to slope down on an angle like this. Probably. I haven't decided how I'm going to do it yet. But just getting it close. But anyway, all of this lumber is cut off the property. Friend with a sawmill. And all of these we're going to cut off to where they're level. Like right here. I didn't figure it would hurt to give it a little extra. But this is our day project. We started about a week ago or so, and just working 6 or 7 days a week now. So I haven't had time to get back. So used a tractor to fix a friend's ditch. Brought his portable sawmill up and cut these for me. Back in there's remnants of it. Anyway, so this is what it's continuing on. So far, all I got money wise in this is one box of screws for probably, I think it was 30 bucks. Well, actually it's the $50 one. So $50 worth of screws. And I had to buy a couple 2x4s because I didn't have enough. I had to buy 5 2x4s and 7 sheets of plywood to be able to do the roof. I'm just going to put felt paper down on it for now. And that'll be good enough to kind of winterize it to where stuff don't rot out. And I just wanted to show y'all. Let me get a ladder and I'll show you. So I'm getting the roof put on it right now. Then over here is going to be the chickens. Probably cut that off level. I haven't decided yet exactly. But yeah, that's what we got. So all together, I think maybe just in plywood, because I didn't have enough rough cut. Just in plywood, I think was 150 bucks, so around 200 bucks for the whole shit and caboodle. And I also have enough, I got another pile up there of scrap wood I can use to make a door and the stuff for the chickens. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update on it, and when I get it finished up and felt papered in and all that fun stuff, I'll probably end up putting tin on it next year. But I'm doing this for our neighbor to help them out. So it'll be exciting. So good times. So I'll roughly, it's from this front support post here, it's 12 foot, well 12 foot and 2 inches back to the back side. And same on that side, and then it's 12 foot even across the front. And I don't remember exactly, but I think this was 8 foot long by 8 foot long, I think 4.5 foot wide or 5 foot wide. I can't remember exactly, but that's what we're working with. But just wanted to show y'all. We videoed the first part of it, but I don't know why my phone's being stupid and deleted it. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what's going on. Getting them ready for more animals. And there's the kids playing. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like always, this is Adam. Y'all stay safe, happy, and healthy. Oh yeah. And so far, I haven't had to drag any power tools down here besides my Milwaukee stuff. An old Husqvarna. It's been a good saw. I've had this one for going on 3, no, probably 4, maybe 5 years now. 460 Rancher. It's been a good saw. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Don't forget, and like, comment, share, whatever you like to do. Y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.